Say no more then.
Oh, damn, Crandon. Why you do Crandon like that?
Oh,
You
no,
done
he
knocked
good.
him into another dimension. He out of here. I'm
He
gonna get out of
good,
here too,
Nah,
man.
man, Cramilton, man, get up, man. You know you good. Cramilton, get up, man. What's concussion amongst friends? We eat concussions for breakfast, man. Get up and get your feet together. Cramilton.
Please subscribe. Today is Saturday, June 19th. Going to the Porsche dealer. I failed my New York City inspection because of bad front tire, especially the right one. I'm gonna get a set of Pirellis. The fronts are $258 each. The size is 255, 40 or 20. And the rears are $305 each, $295, 35 or 20. All Pirellis. Michelin is good also, and the P0, good for the Porsches. A day in the life, Saturday, June 19th. All these tires are no good, and the backs are mismatched. I got Michelin on the left, and let me see what I got on the right. That can't be happening. Everything has to be one brand. So this is the Pirelli P7. So the story is gonna take about 3 hours. No loaner unless you bought the car here. Also, no loaners on Saturday. Big up Lexus off Route 21. Best service ever. They even full your tank when you come back. Alright, this is the charging station for the Porsche Taycan. A lot of Range Rover over here. They're unreliable. You see that flatbed? I'm sure it's a Range Rover they brought over. So the service center is about a mile away from the Porsche dealership. Not even a mile, about 3/4 of a mile. Catena. You see it? This Benz MG looks sick. G63. Walk with me. Let's check out this white Porsche over there. And a real estate, hundreds of cars over here. See what kind of Porsche this is. Same have on Goodyear Eagle. $305.30. ZR21 Goodyear Eagle. This is the 911 Carrera S. Sick machine. See that? Very beautiful. Amazing piece of machinery. And this is a Porsche Take on anybody, anywhere, anytime. Tesla, watch out. Continental tires again. These are 20s. It's bigger than a 20. Beautiful. Three or 530 ZR21. That's big Pirelli's, big, bad, and bossy. Fronts of 245/35 ZR20. This is a 1993 Land Rover Defender. See that? Beautiful. This is a 911 Turbo with Continentals. See that? This will stick to the road. Four hours. Actually 5 hours. Finally. Brand new. Yeah, give me a wash. Pull up my tank too. Okay, so the wash on hammer on. Did the hammer on? What's this coming on the tow truck? Audi. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch. I'm out.